Hello, in this video I'll show you how to use the Capital Connect quiz sheet that comes in the kit. Behind this paper there's a pre-made wire circuit that connects elements from column A and B to its respective answer. To play this game, we are going to make a buzzer circuit that only makes sound when we are touching the right order. Let us see what components we would need. We are going to need a buzzer, a 9-volt battery, a battery connector, a female to female jumper wire, and some double-sided tape. To play this game, we are going to make a buzzer circuit that only makes sound when we are touching the right order. Let us see what components we would need. Stick the buzzer on the battery with a double-sided tape. After attaching the connector, take the positive terminal of the battery connector and connect it to the jumper wire. Now twist the wire around the battery so the wire doesn't seem like a mess. Now take the other end of the jumper wire and connect it to the positive terminal of the buzzer. Now if you connect these two wires together, the buzzer should make a sound. So let's check the output. Here I have taken the Capital Quiz sheet, put our buzzer circuit in the middle, and now let's try to solve the quiz. Here I have connected Assam and this port and it made a sound. That means the capital of the state Assam is this port. Hence it is the correct answer. Thank you.